Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to just do a quick little mukbang and review off of a Happy Meal. I haven't gotten one of these in a long time, and it comes with an apple juice. Well, it comes I think with either milk or an apple juice, and I asked for the apple juice. So oh guys, I wanted they usually come with that cute little red it's like this little pocket for your fries, and look what they gave me, a plastic bag. So you get small fries. I wanted the cute ones though, what the heck. I couldn't understand her. She's like, do you want ranch or buffalo? I don't know, but I was like, yeah, just give me whatever. And she gave me buffalo. I wanted ranch. And it comes with a yogurt. These are bomb. The Go-Gurts, it's strawberry flavor, I think. These are really good, guys. Some apple juice, french fries, barbecue sauce, yogurt. And I didn't feel like eating a cheeseburger, so I just got the 6-piece chicken nuggets. So I think you guys could get like a cheeseburger, the 4-piece, or just the 6-piece. And also you get a little toy. And right now they're giving usually it'll say on the box or something, but it's just the My Little Pony. My friend, she got one, and she got like a little horse. It was so cute. That's what I wanted, but I got like this face mask with like hair on it. I think you can like brush it or whatever. But this is a toy, guys. So there's a little review of the My Little Ponies, a rarity mask. I don't know. But let's get eating. I'm gonna have to eat this with barbecue. Oh well. To show this, of course. Whatever. Y'all know what it is. I've been craving these fries so bad from McDonald's. And you know what I want to do? I saw it from like Sophia Cleo and Veronica Wing. They grab like a bunch of, they get like a lot of McDonald's fries. And they make them like In-N-Out fries, like animal style fries. I look so bomb. I want to try doing that. I've been wanting In-N-Out so bad too. Organic juice drink. This is not good. It's not good. I've never eaten fries with barbecue sauce. pretty good. I might be getting these more often. Sorry guys, I'm a little hungry. Have you guys tried these frozen? Not completely frozen, but just put them in the fridge for a little bit, and they get like a little frozen. It tastes really good. Let's try it. It's a little hot. We're gonna review the toy. It says Rarity Mask Toy. Let's open it. Oh, it's really cute. Oh, is this like the little hair or the little unicorn hair? Oh, they're like glasses, guys. Oh, they're glasses. They're so cute. Oh, shit. It comes with this thing here. I have to take this off. Which I'm bad at opening stuff because I'll just tear it up. Okay, guys. So here are the glasses of like My Little Pony. You know what? Good thing that my so here it is. Oh, they feel like big. Like damn. Okay, they're like falling off, guys. They're falling off, and it comes with this. I don't know what this is. It's like a clip. I think for your hair. And it comes like with a little excuse me. I think it comes with a little like extension for your hair. Okay, they got down, look. I guess you like put it on your hair. Ow. Ow, this hurts. So yeah, guys, there it is, the little clip with this glasses. And I guess it comes with this little thing. And it says this. So it's going to say number 1, download McPlay. So scan your toy. I guess you can scan your toy on your phone. And it unlocks a game. That way you can play, I guess, a My Little Pony game. on the McDonald's Make Play app or something. So download the app, and then just, if you want to play a game, just scan your toy and then you can play the game. A little extension here hanging. With my glasses. Oh, it could be this little tour right here. So yeah, guys, if you want this, go get the McDonald's Happy Meal. Ask for the mask or something for the toy. She asked me, like, is it for a boy or girl? I'm like, for a girl, for me. So yeah, guys, this is a little review. It comes with this little ponytail clip-on and these little glasses. So bye, guys. Thanks for watching my little review. Bye.